Hey guys, what's up? I know it's been a while, so today I'm going to make a quick hair tutorial, and I thought I would share with you quickly kind of how I get ready in the morning with a little bit of makeup. I don't wear a whole lot, so I'm going to share with you some of the products. If you hear a little voice, I have my 2-year-old on the floor on her iPad, just kind of hanging out because the other kids are doing e-learning. Okay, so today I'm just gonna do 2 messy buns. So I guess pigtails, but like in a messy bun kind of way up here. And yes, I have a half-shaved head, and you can still do 2 of them. I just kind of part it off a little to the side instead of in the middle, so I have kind of an even amount of hair. So yeah, if you have a shaved head, you can still do this. Mine is shaved, even all the way around. So I need 2 rubber bands. I have like a little thin pointy comb that you can use to part, or I've used a pencil. A pencil works great, just kind of to get your nice even straight part. And then I have some pins to kind of pin my hair in a way so you don't see the rubber band, and it just kind of looks a little nicer but messy at the same time. All right, so I need to part my hair. Probably gonna have to look in the mirror so I can do this, so I'm not gonna be looking in here. So I do a little off to the side because I want a good amount of hair on my half-shaved side. So see, it's kind of off to the side a little bit. And then, it doesn't have to be completely perfect, but just so you have kind of an even amount of hair. And if you don't have a half-shaved head, then obviously you can part in the middle or a little off to the side, it's kind of up to you. But this is just what I've been doing lately because I'm kind of lazy and I don't want to be curling my hair. All right, so that's pretty good. I am just going to put this up in a rubber band real quick so it doesn't get in my way as I'm doing this side. I probably should have put a little bit of dry shampoo in, but whatever. If you haven't washed your hair, I did yesterday, so it kind of looks okay. I would recommend putting in some dry shampoo in before you start. Spray it all in, kind of rub it in nice. It'll give it a little bit more volume, make it a little look thicker. This is my favorite. It is Herbal Essence. This is my favorite one. I don't know, I just like it. It smells good. It's not, doesn't have any weird residue, and it doesn't leave white streaks or marks in my hair, especially now that you can completely see my roots. So that's what I like, but I'm not going to do dry shampoo today because it kind of looks okay. To do it a little bit more on top of the head rather than in back. That's just kind of how I like it. So I got it. And then I'm kind of just gonna grab it kind of crazy. So it's messy because I'm going for the messy look. I'll mess with it in a little bit. I want to get my other one up. They're probably not going to be completely even with the amount of hair, but it's going to be close enough. And then I'll pin it. So it still kind of looks messy and nice and not super crazy. And then what I like to do is I like to kind of hold the bun, and then the front hairs I'll pull a little bit so it's not like super tight and plastered to my head. That's just me. If you like it super tight to your head, then don't pull. But I just like to pull a little bit. And then I like to pull here because I'm going for like that messy kind of look. You can also wear like thicker headbands if you want. I've done that before. If my hair is looking really greasy and gross and just not cooperating with me, I'll put like a headband on and it still looks nice. All right, so I'm gonna pin it because you can see like the rubber bands, and that's just, I don't kind of like it like that. So, I don't know, I'm just gonna grab some hair, whatever. Again, this doesn't have to be perfect. It's a messy pigtail type of look. So, just kind of do the best you can. So, not terrible. That had hair on it, gross. So, done, pretty good. It's a messy look. It's okay if it's not perfect and messy. There's some hair sticking out here, totally fine, cool. Hair sticking out there. Again, I pulled this. You can pull a little bit here if you want, if you have like different layers, but done. So 2 bun messy look, done. Now we're gonna go on to makeup. Okay, so hair is done. We're gonna move on to makeup. So first thing I did, and again, I have no makeup on. I have face lotion on from last night. I use Tula brand. I am not affiliated with them. I don't have any codes. I'm not paid by them, nothing. This is just something that I really, really like. So I use the Tula face lotion. I think it's like the night and day, like all in one, whatever. So that is on from last night. So this is the first thing I put on. It is the Tula primer. I use this instead of foundation because this leaves a nice even tone. It is not cakey. It doesn't look clumpy or gross. You know what I mean? Like when you put foundation on, they can look kind of cakey. So I use this and it kind of evens out my skin tone, and it just kind of, it looks nice and like a glowy look. So I use about 2 pumps of this. All I do is put 2 pumps on my hands and then I rub them in. I don't use any type of makeup sponge or nothing like that. So wipe it all over, make sure to get your neck. Okay, so I rub it all over. Make sure you get your neck good. I even do like around my eyes, my eyelids, like everywhere, okay? Okay, all right, the next thing I do is eye concealer. So it's Super Stay and it is 5 Ivory, so it's super light. Really helps cover up, you know, those mom circles. So the eye concealer is done. I'm just gonna put on a little bit of like a mineral powder. This is the one I use. It's Neutrogena. It's Natural Beige 60. This is the one that I like. So that's kind of done. I think I'll put on a little bit of blush. Usually I don't. It just depends on my mood if I really want to keep going with makeup or not. But I think I'll put a little bit of blush on today, like just a tiny amount. So honestly, just like a teeny tiny amount. This is the Physicians Formula. This is kind of old because I like never use it. So this is what it looks like, and it is Blushing Rose 2466. So I don't know, in case you really want to know. Done. Okay, now I'm gonna do eyes. So if you watched the last makeup video I did, I'm still using the same one. I didn't buy a new one. Like, this is how long it lasts me because I just don't use a whole lot. So this is the e.l.f. brand, just Shadow Truffles. So I'm gonna use the dark brown one for my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna use this little like silvery glitter for my eyelid. And it's not like super glittery, it's not gonna rub everywhere. I honestly just use my finger and rub it on and then I'm done. I also use, this is the e.l.f. brand too, for my, my eyebrows. So I kind of comb it out first before I start. Okay, so I use this angled part for the dark brown, and then I kind of just brush it in a little bit, and then I use this brush part to kind of shape them and make them look nice. So I just dab it in. I'm gonna have to look in the mirror. Yeah, hang on. So it's brushed, and I'm gonna like comb it through to get that nice shape. So this one has it. Now don't freak out. It'll all even out once I have a little bit of that glitter on, and then I'll do my eyelashes. So I know it looks dark, but it'll look fine once we're all done. So the eyebrows are done. So I'm gonna take my finger and on the glitter part, put some on. All right, so I'm gonna do my eyelashes next, and then I'm done. So this is the brand I like. Give me a second. And I don't use any lipstick or any lip gloss. I just use chapstick. That's it. I don't like a thick layer on. I like the nude look better. I don't like a whole lot of color on my lips. That's just me. So for everyday look, I just put chapstick on. Okay, so this is the Voluminous Superstar. I know like the writing kind of is off, but I use this all the time. I love this brand. It's so nice. This is just black. This one's nice because there's two parts to it. So you have, the first one is a primer. Hang on. So it's a white primer that you're gonna put on first. And then after that, then you put on the black mascara part. So our trick for putting on mascara, no, I don't curl my eyelashes, only I'll curl them if it's a special occasion. For everyday look, I don't curl my eyelashes. This will make it with the primer, and then the mascara, they'll make them look curled and long. Okay, so a trick to putting on mascara. Once you get it on your lash, you're gonna wiggle up so you get each individual lash. So it's not all clumped together. So you're gonna put it in and then wiggle it up, okay? So this has the primer on, so it's a little bit white, which is totally fine. So now I'm going to put the mascara, the black part, on my eyelashes. And again, you want to put them in, put it in the bottom, wiggle up so you get each individual lash. So I'm gonna go put that on. this has the black and the primer on, and then I just do a little bit on the bottom. So you can totally see a difference between each eye. And again, I didn't curl them. This mascara is just amazing. So it makes it look fuller, longer. As long as you wiggle and then go up, then you'll get every lash. So yeah, that eye is done. I'm going to do the other eye and then we'll be done. Okay, so done. This is the finished look. So it's just a messy hair bun kind of day. My face is done. It's not super caked on. Yeah, I have a little bit of zit, but whatever. It's mom life and stress over here. So done. I will link all of the products I use below. Some of them I do have on my Amazon list, so there is a little affiliation through that. But yeah, I'm done. Ready for the day. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and if there's any other videos that you want me to make, please put it in the comments below. Bye!